Here we're up going to Porter Mountain on Columbus Day weekend. Halfway there yet.
Yeah, we are.
Okay, we're halfway there. What? God, you can't see anything.
I can only imagine this would be a great view on a clear day. We're right in the middle of the clouds and it's raining. The wind's starting to pick up. Getting a little cold. It was about 54 degrees when we left the car. It's got to be in the mid 40s right now. You hear the wind blowing. Maybe it'll clear up on our way back down. We'll see. Final approach up Cascade. Extremely windy. How are you?
That's the best way.
Thank you very much. Thank you. Have a safe hike. See, look, you. Yep. Careful the wind. Alright. Yeah, it's slippery right here, buddy.
I can do it.
Hold on, we're gonna turn the... Alright, we just navigated that really, really slippery rock. And following the yellow blazes this way, bud. Follow the yellow blazes up the rock face. Extremely windy. It's gonna be a good 25 degrees colder up here. And the wind. high peak for Ethan and I. Not much of a view. Don't know if you can see us or not, but we made it.